Chief Obiora Aniekwe JP 2022. Child dedication and house opening of the family of Chief and Lolo Obiora Aniekwe JP. Onowu cordially invite you to their child dedication and house opening ceremony. Date Sunday 20th November 2022. Church service takes place at Voice of God Ministries International, Ghana, the home of solution and power. Ministry Bishop Dr. Mighty Awa Oka, G.O. Address Ashaman Estate, last stop, opposite West Bridge School, Pure Water Junction. Church service time 9 a.m. prompt. Reception follows immediately after church service at Chief Obiora Aniekwe's residence at Elmina 52 Street, Lakeside Estate, Ashali, Botway. Time 2 p.m. prompt. Chairman of the occasion, Chief and Lolo Okudri Divine Wando, Akunesio BK1 of Ghana, CEO, Oku Ventures West Africa Limited. Special guest of honor, Chief Chris I Agodi, aka Onyewetere Second Nakokwa, CEO, Miracle Estate West Africa. Royal Father of the Day, His Royal Majesty, is it Dr. Ambassador Chukwudi J. Ihenetu, Ezigbo One Ghana, Paramount King of Igbo Community in Ghana. Royal invitees, His Royal Highness Eze Samuel Ekefie JP, Esudona Sampeland. His Royal Highness Ni Afote Agolon II, Nchetere Manche of Nugua Traditional Area. His Royal Highness Eze Raymond Chuma Okadibo, King of the Mountain, Ezudo of Adotiema. His Royal Highness Eze Victor Anyim, Ezude of Aflawo. His Royal Highness Eze Dr. Evangelist Tony Olase, Ezudo of Kwabian and Pokwase. His Royal Highness Eze Dr. Igwechinedu Kingsley JP, Ezibona Central Region. His Royal Highness Eze Sir Dennis Madrabu Chuku Oha, Ezudona Kaswa Central Region. His Royal Highness Eze Dr. Sir Kingsley Ebo, Ezudo Elect of Ashama. High Chief Harrison Mpakalo, Chief of Staff of Obi Igbo Ghana. Queen Mother of the Day, Queen Ugweze Liberty Ihenetu, Nana Ekwa Chetewa, one of Ghana. Coordinators, Chief Daniel C. Batram, Arieri Bawan of Ghana, Chief Joseph Temple Ezenwadi Umunna Wezu Akwan of Ghana. For direction and inquiries, call 054-355-4366, 024-192-0513, 059-451-7575. MC of the day, Chief Victor Ejikeme, Man of Vision. Chimaduru